Hi, I'm AC Locke. You're the owner of SoftWash Systems, the world's largest exterior soft washing and sanitation network. With this current coronavirus pandemic, I just wanted to explain to you how we can deploy our over 220 in-network companies worldwide utilizing this state-of-the-art soft washing equipment to sanitize your property. SoftWash Systems utilizes CDC recommended sanitizers like sodium hypochlorite, but even sodium hypochlorite can be boosted by a product like Green Wash, enhancing its ability to clean, its penetration into and onto the surface, as well as leaving a pleasant scent behind. Green Wash has antimicrobial properties as well. Hey, if it's powerful enough for us to use, it's powerful enough for you to use. So if you would like to purchase some Green Wash, give us a call today or check out our website below.